friends. To do this activity along with me, all you need is something to draw on, something to draw with, and some way of picking an animal at random. I've got this cup full of animal figurines you saw me with earlier, but you could use a book full of animal pictures, you could look around your house for pictures of animals, or you could just come up with some. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my page, and on one side, I'm going to set that aside for my hero. And on the other side, this is where I'm going to have my villain. My villain is like the baddie of the story, the one that is kind of fighting with the hero. The first thing I need to do is come up with a hero. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cup full of animals and I'm going to mix them up and I'm going to pour out 2. Oh, well, that's 3. I'm going to put this one away. I've got like a bug, maybe like a lady beetle, and I've got a rabbit. So my hero is going to be part bug, part rabbit. What do you call a part bug, part rabbit? Like a rug? Okay, so this rug, how am I going to do it? Well, rabbits, they have such cool heads, so I'm going to use my rabbit head. I'm going to draw some big rabbit ears, like this big rabbit. There's another big rabbit ear over here, bit of stuff in the middle, and cute rabbit nose, little whiskers, and an eye. And that's my rabbit. Oh, cool. I think that's looking pretty cool. But then I need the bug bit, don't I? So the bug has like a hard, curvy shell, and it looks like they have those those little lids to keep their wings in. This bug has spots, so I'm going to give my rabbit bug spots. And bugs are different to rabbits in that they have lots of different legs. So I might do the legs kind of a little bit rabbity and a little bit buggy. So here's like a rabbity leg, and here's another rabbity leg, and here's like an extra rabbity leg at the back, maybe one of those big rabbity legs. Such a weird creature. All right, so this is my rabbit bug, my rug. They don't look that heroic just yet. So how can I make my rug look a bit more heroic? Maybe I could give them more of a heroic expression. So I'm going to try and give them like a serious I'm a hero expression. I sometimes like to do some lines either side of the eye to make them look all heroic. And I'll sort of suggest that there's another eye on this side. Now that eyebrow was a bit bigger than I meant to make it, but that's okay. When you make a mistake, maybe the best thing to do is actually try and use it in your drawing. So I'm going to try and make sure that this rug has really big, bushy eyebrows that are cool. That gives it so much personality. And if I hadn't made that mistake, I never would have figured that out. I need a name. Well, I'm going to call this one Mickey. This is Mickey the Rug.